Hi, I'm Smart Girl, and today we're going to talk about 10 interesting facts about birds. Let's start right now. There are around 10,000 different bird species worldwide. That's a huge amount of birds. I only see like 7 of them a day. Ostriches are the only kinds of birds that takes care of other females' eggs. That is very kind of them. Hummingbirds can flap their wings 200 times per second, which is 12,000 times a minute. Isn't that so amazing? Penguins can swim 4 times faster than humans. I really want to test that out. Chickens are the most common bird species. Well, I don't remember seeing that much chickens. Do you see them often? Birds have hollow bones which help them fly. Well, I guess those hollow bones make them weaker too. Pigeons are bred to find their way from long distances and have been used for thousands of years to carry messages. I kind of wish I had one too. Some ducks sleep with one eye open for predators. Well, I guess that is why they walk like that. Maybe they're tired. The Song of Eurasian Wren is made of more than 700 different notes per minute and can be heard from 500 meters away. Have you ever heard them? Bacian thrushes find food by farting. If I was the Bacian thrush, I wouldn't eat the meal. Thank you for watching, and please hit subscribe and like.